Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like soft coloring on CapCut PC. Basically it is actually super simple to do. First you are going to want to adjust the video, so select adjustments here, and this is what you're going to do. So contrast, you're going to do -15, or you can like type it here to be more accurate. And then for saturation, you are going to select -8, we'll type it in. And for illumination, you are going to do 10. Then you are going to go to filters, and you are going to find where is that filter? It's very hard to find filters. Hold on, trying to find it still. Is it in movies? No. I think it's supposed to be. Oh, there it is. It's in mono. I'm so sorry. Black Forest. Add it, and you want the intensity to be just 40 though. And then once you're done, you're going to go to effects, and you're going to go to lens. Then you are going to add in this edge glow effect, but only like 20%. So like that much. And you'll have this like really cute, soft lighting tutorial, coloring, sorry. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!